Respected sir and my dear friends, I am M. Sai Nikhil of ECEB section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04NA. I am here to give a Python seminar. Let's get into the seminar. Get into the topic. My topic is about dictionaries. Dictionaries in the Python. What is meant by dictionary? Dictionary represents a group of elements arranged in the form of key value pairs. The first element considered as key, and the immediate next element is taken as its value. The key and its value are separated by a colon. All the key value pairs in the dictionary are inserted in the curly braces. Example, see here. I am taking a variable d. D equal to register number equal to 556, name equal to Nikhil, branch equal to ECE. Here, register number and the roll number is separated by a colon. While we print d of register number equal, when we print register number, we get a value 556, and when we print name, we get Nikhil. When we print branch, we get ECE. Like that, adding and replacing values. You can add a new key or value pair to the dictionary by using subscripts operator. The form of this operator is as follows: a dictionary, a key, and a value. And a key value is represented between subscripts, is written in subscript. Example, here I have taken info equal to curly braces. Info equal to subscripts name equal to Sandy and occupation equal to hacker. Now, if we print info, then we get name equal to Sandy and occupation equal to hacker. And the subscript also used to replace a value at an existing key value as follows. If the occupation is not hacker and we have to change it to a manager, then info of occupation equal to we write manager. Then if we print info, we get name equal to Sandy and occupation equal to manager. Here the hacker occupation equal to hacker is changed to occupation equal to manager. Note, here in this case of some operation used for two different purposes: insertion of a new entry and modification of existing entry. As a rule, when a key is absent in the dictionary and its value are inserted, when the key already exists, its associate value is replaced. Now, assessing values. You can also use subscripts to obtain the value associated with a key. However, if the key is not present in the dictionary, Python erases an expression. Here some of the examples using the info dictionary, which are set up earlier. Info of name equal to Sandy. Info of job. We did not make a key as job. So here job equal to none. We don't define the job. Get method. As earlier strategy is to use the method get. This method accepts two arguments: a possible key and default value. If the key is a dictionary, the associated value is returned. However, the key is absent, the default value passed will get returned. Here, in this example, you use to get default value of none. Here, info.get of job, none. Then we get none. We didn't give any value for the job, any value for the key job. So it gives none. Removing key. To delete an entry from the dictionary, one removes its key using the method pop. This method accepts a key and an optional default value as arguments. If the key is in the dictionary, it is removed and its associate value is returned. Otherwise, the default value is returned. If pop is used with just one argument and its key is absent from the dictionary, Python erases an expression. Here, job, print info.pop of job, comma none. Here job is removed and its value none will get displayed. And we are removing occupation also. Print info.pop of occupation. Then occupation is get removed and we get its value as manager. Now if we print info, we will have only one key value pair. Name Sandy. Now dictionary methods. Dictionary operation and what it does. Length of D. Returns the number of entries in D. D of key value is used for insertion a new value or replacing the value or obtaining a value at an existing key. D dot get key of default. Return the value if a key exists or returns the default if the key does not exist. Raises an error if the default is optimized and the key does not exist. Pop. Pop means remove the key and returns the value if the key exists or returns the default if the key doesn't exist. Raises an error if the default is optimized and the key does not exist. List of D returns the list of keys. List of D dot value returns the list of values. List of D items returns a list of tuples containing in the key and value of each entry. D dot clear remove all the keys in this dictionary. From the key in D means key is bounded to each key in D in an unspecified order. Now let's see an example. Here Python, write a Python script to generate and print dictionaries that contains a number between 1 to n in the form of x, and it's here if we give 1 it must give 1 into 1 means 1, 2 means 2 into 2, 4, like that it should give its values. Now let's see. Run. Here is showing enter the number. I am entering 6. It gives C if from 1 for x equal to 1 in the range of 1 to 1 plus n plus 1. Here I have entered 6 means 1 and its value is 1. 2 is a key and its value is 4. 3 and its value is 9. 4 and its value is 16. 5 and its value is 25. 6 and its value is 36. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.